Kako še gre? A bo to full bad, če tako vmes, ne? Živijo, sem Gajo Prestor in danes na Joonglaa kanalu odgovarjam oziroma igram Finish the lyrics. Tako da, kar začnimo. Prvi, a to so dva listka? Ne, en skupaj. Ok. Since it is cold and empty, no one's... Since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone, blinded by the lights. Ja. Ok. Potem imamo 1-0. To. White shirt, no red. White shirt, no red. Kaj je to?
Billie Eilish.
Aha, ok. White shirt, no red, my bloody nose sleeping. I'm on my tippy toes creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so cynical, so you're a tough guy, like a really rough guy. Ok. I'm gonna take my horse to I'm gonna ride it to I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride it till I can't no more. I can't no more. To, evo! Kako idem. Ok. Why are men great till they? Why are men great till they? Lahko dam uno, veš, ko imaš 3 možnosti pri milijonarju, da pokličem pomoč.
Izvajalka je Lizo.
Lizo?
Nekaj pomaga, ja.
To res ne bi vedela. Ok, bomo šli, bomo rezali. Ok, gremo naprej. Sassy moody. Ojoj, sassy moody. Kaj je to? Spet rabim pomoč. Sassy moody. Aha, ok. I'm a savage. Sassy, moody, classy. A je classy? Nasty. Ok, I'm a savage. Sassy, moody, nasty. To bi šel on TikTok dance. Ok, land in Miami, the air was hot. Tega pa vem, tega pa ne rabim pomoči. Čakaj. To je ful težko. Oh my god, vem. Koliko je to težko, ko ne vidiš tega. Ok. Land in Miami, the air was hot like summer rains. It felt like oh la la la, yeah. Ok. Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word? Aren't you, oh my god, kjer je, to vem. A veš, koliko preberem, pa vem, kjer komat je, ampak tako... Aha, čekaj, tega sem prej pela. Čekaj, aren't you the guy... Kako že gre? Kako nisem tega vedela, fakt, ok, vem. Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye? Oh, it took so time to survive you. I'm better on the other side. Okay? You thought that I was special, but it was just... to tudi vem, pa ne vem. Kako še gre? A bo to full bad, če tako vmes, ne? It was special, but it was just a friend zone. I knew it. Friend zone. Yeah, but it was just the sex though. Ok, skor isto sex pa friend zone, to gre full dobro skupaj. Do whatever you like. Ok, tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song. I want more Harry on that summer feeling. To valjda si poznamo. Ok, I'd rather be dry, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me. Something like that. To je to. Koliko točk sem dobila? Jej! Jaz upam, da ste uživali in lahko probate videti to doma, pa da vidimo, če vam gre kaj boljš kot meni. Tako da lahko pustite kak komentar, like, šerate s prijatelji in se vidimo.